Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about how to write a film review or a movie review. So, first of all, what is a film review? Film review is a short description of a film. It is written to give a brief description and evaluation of a movie, and it gives viewers someone's opinion and recommendation about whether they should watch a film or not. And also, writing a movie review is a great way of expressing your opinions of a movie. The main purpose of writing a movie review is that it helps the reader in determining whether they want to watch the movie or not. This is the main purpose of writing a movie review. The first step of writing a movie review is that watch the movie. This is the first and foremost step of writing a movie review. That is, watch the movie. You can also watch it second time. It will help you to absorb lot more details of movie. So you can watch the movie again and again. Second step of writing movie is that comprehend. Comprehend what the story is all about. Comprehend means grasp deeply or grasp mentally understand. If you are comprehend the movie properly, you are able to write clearly if you have understood what the storyline is, what the story is all about. And third one is know the characters. This is the important one. Study the main characters as well as the extras. If the movie contains actors, as most do, details who is starring in the movie and how well you think they acted. And next one is that setting of the movie. Setting of the movie, which means did the movie follow a regular predictable storyline or not. So note down if it is in timeline or out of order. Timeline means a list of important events around in the order in which they happened. And out of order means something is not in a correct order. So this all comes in the setting of the story. Next one is that costumes and props. What was the main character is wearing and how do you think it is significant to the setting? You have to make a detailed study about the costumes of the heroes and heroines. And next process of a film review is that cinematography and lighting. Cinematography means the art of photography and camera work in filmmaking. Here, give details about how well the movie was shot and directed, and was the lighting good in the moody scenes also. After these all observations, you can start to write. After this all analyzing your information, you can now start to write. Then after the first session, next one is give your opinion. This is the most important thing while we are writing a film review. This is important as the reviewer can express the elements of the movie they enjoyed or disliked. And next one of the important point of writing a film review is that know your audience. This is the most important. Consider who will be your readers because there may be common people and also highly educated people will be there. So consider who will be your readers depending who your readers are. Next step is that give an outline of your review. Give the outline of the movie but don't give away essential details such as the end or any surprises. Just give an outline of the movie, no need to give the detailed manner in the story. Next step of writing a review is that use quotations. You can also add lines that may have the best impact from the film. If there any highly notable quotation, anything mentioned, you can note it down while you are writing your film review. And next one is that cite or citation. A citation is a reference to a source. So it is very important that you cite your work, and here is how to do it. You can see here one of the example of citation. First one is that write the film title in italics followed by a period followed by a full stop. And second point is that list the director and performers with abbreviations. For director, the abbreviations you have to write DIR, and for the performers you have to write the abbreviation as perf, and put a period after the director and separate the performers with commas. And third point is that list the production company followed by a comma, and the release or distribution date also have to be there, and add a period after the distribution date. And fourth point is that write the medium followed by a period. You can see a clear example of how to write the citation. Yes, here is your example how to write a citation of a film review. Here you can clearly see that one. So these are the essential steps for writing a good film review or a good movie review. This is all about. Thank you. Have a great day.